Energy-saving light bulbs are poisonous to the brain, nervous system, liver, kidneys, and heart. Well, unfortunately many people around the world use these light bulbs, which is a bad thing. The experts warn that these light bulbs can cause anxiety, migraines, and even cancer. Well, the main reason why people use these light bulbs is because the electricity is too expensive, which means that all people try to save energy and save some money. As we mentioned before, the electricity is too expensive, which is why most of us replaced the old standard light bulbs with environmentally friendly and with the new generation energy-saving light bulbs. But the real and ugly truth about the new generation of energy-efficient light bulbs is that they are so toxic that the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency created an emergency protocol you need to follow in the event of a bulb breakage due to the poison gas that is released. You'll be shocked when we tell you that the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency warns that if broken indoors, these light bulbs release 20 times the maximum acceptable mercury concentration into the air. A recent study conducted by researchers from the Fraunhofer Wilhelm Clauditz Institute for Germany's Federal Environment Agency has confirmed this. This could lead to the following medical conditions: migraines, dizziness, seizure, cluster headaches, anxiety, difficulty concentrating, fatigue. What are the other risks? Here's what you need to know. Well, you should be very careful because mercury is a dangerous neurotoxin. And the experts say that the mercury is really dangerous for the brain, kidneys, liver, and the nervous system, but can also damage the reproductive, immune, and cardiovascular systems. You should also know that a group of German scientists claimed that several carcinogenic chemicals and toxins were released when the environmentally friendly compact fluorescent lamps, CFLs, were switched on, including phenol, naphthalene, and styrene. Here's a breakdown of each of these chemicals. 1. Phenol. Have you ever heard of phenol? Well, phenol is a mild carcinogen which is known to be highly irritating to the skin, eyes, and mucous membranes in humans after short-term inhalation. This carcinogen can cause many health problems such as irregular breathing, muscle weakness, and tremors, loss of coordination, convulsions, coma, and respiratory arrest at high doses. 2. Naphthalene. The experts at the National Pesticide Information Center say that naphthalene is made from crude oil or coal tar. It can be found in things like cigarette smoke and car exhaust. The World Health Organization, WHO, concluded that naphthalene is possibly carcinogenic to humans. 3. Styrene. You'll be shocked when we tell you that people who are exposed to styrene are at a high risk of developing lymph-hematopoietic cancers, such as leukemia and lymphoma. They may also suffer from genetic damage to their white blood cells, severely affecting their immune system. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if that's not enough, then you should also know that a group of researchers at Stony Brook University in New York studying CFL bulbs said, "We measured the amount of UV emissions and the integrity of each bulb's phosphor coatings. Results revealed significant levels of UVC and UVA, which appeared to originate from cracks in the phosphor coatings present in all CFL bulbs studied." Note: you should also know that these rays are potentially hazardous for both the eyes and skin. They also impact your immune system, damage your skin, and interfere with your body's production of vitamin D3. Emergency protocol for broken energy-saving light bulbs. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, recommended process for cleaning up broken bulbs is the following. Precautions. First, you should move everyone out of the room, including pets. After that, you should let fresh air flow into the room for 10 minutes by opening all doors and windows. And don't forget, switch off heating and or cooling systems. Gather the following materials for the cleaning process: cardboard, damp paper towels, sticky tape, glass jar with a metal lid. Cleaning process. You should also avoid vacuuming because it can spread the vapors or powders of mercury. This is also very important part in the cleaning process. Make sure to collect all the broken pieces of glass and powder. Large pieces can be scooped up using the cardboard, whereas the tiny pieces of glass and powder can be removed by using the duct tape. The tape should be carefully placed into the glass jar. And finally, you need to put all the cleaning materials into a sealed container. Post-cleaning process. Here's what you need to do. First, you should place all the bulb pieces, powder, and cleaning materials in a sealable trash container for further disposal. And you shouldn't leave any debris or cleaning material indoors. Make sure you contact your local government authorities to take the bulbs to the proper recycling facility. Make sure to air out the room while keeping the heating and/or cooling systems off for a few hours. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.